Hey everyone, Kylie Rigler here, exclusive Black Status presenter with Younique. I want to talk about our awesome compensation plan. I get a lot of questions about how we get paid, when we get paid, when we get paid on who we get paid on, that sort of thing. So I just want to basically go through our compensation plan and get you excited about how much money you can make with our company. Okay. First, we'll go through the statuses. You're going to start out, you sign up, you get your kit, and you are a white status presenter. You're recognized as white status. Now, to technically hit white status, it's $125 in personal retail sales. Now, moving on up, yellow status, $1,000 personal retail sales. That is a very exciting one to hit. You move up from there. Let me say really quickly, when you are a yellow status presenter, that is considered a lifetime pay raise, and the amount that you get paid, being down here 25% commission, and we'll go into that later, will never go down. You'll never reset to white. Pink and above, each month you reset to yellow and you requalify for those statuses. Pink is $250 personal retail sales, $2,000 company wholesale sales, and one qualified first level presenter. A qualified first level presenter is someone on your team that you have recruited that has at least $125 in sales, and wholesale sales are you and your team combined, the amount that you have sold after commissions are paid. So the amount after your 25% commissions have been paid would be that $2,000 amount. So that's going to be, obviously, this number would be 75% of the actual total of sales for that month. You would need to hit that requirement. For blue, $250 personal sales, $4,000 company wholesale, and 2 qualified first level presenters. Blue, you need to get to recruiting. Now, green status. Green is super, super awesome. Green, when you qualify for green 2 months in a row, you get invited out to Utah to tour corporate and have dinner with the CEO and get some amazing training on leadership. $500 personal retail, $10,000 company wholesale, 3 qualified first level presenters, $2,000 circle wholesale sales. What a circle? Your circle is anyone on your team outside of a team of elites on your team. So for instance, if you have someone on your team who is green or above, they are not part of your circle. They're part of your company, so this number counts their team, but the circle is outside of them and their downline. Orange, 500 personal sales, 20,000 company wholesale, 3 qualified first level presenters, 4,000 circle wholesale, and 1 first generation elite. To hit orange status, you need at least 1 person in your first generation to be green or above. The amazing thing here is that a first generation elite does not have to necessarily be someone that you recruited. It's just the first in that line, that downline. Let's say you recruited Mary and Mary recruited Susie, and Mary's not elite but Susie is. Susie would bump up to be your first generation elite, okay? Purple status, 500 personal sales, 40,000 company wholesale, 4 qualified first level, 6,000 circle, and 2 first generation elites. Now you're going to jump up to black. 500 personal retail, 80,000 company, 4 first level qualified presenters, 10,000 in your circle, and 4 first generation elites. As you start to sponsor some rock star leaders hitting green and above, 4 of those will get you to black status. It is very important to maintain that circle wholesale outside of these leaders' teams, okay? Usually when people hit green, it's not like they just hit 10,000 and stop there. Those numbers can get bigger and they can infringe upon this right here. So that's not a bad thing. It just encourages us as leaders to continue to work, not just recruit people to do all the work for us. We want to be basically leading with Leading by doing, not just by speaking, correct? Okay. Hope that makes sense. All right, how do we get paid? White level, starting out 20% commission on your sales. You get a wonderful Pay Quicker card, and you get that money deposited on your personal retail sales every 3 to 4 hours, 20% into your account. You bump up to yellow, that's considered a lifetime pay raise, 25% commission on your personal sales. That amount will never go back to 20% once you've reached yellow status. Pink and above, as I may have said before, you have to requalify for monthly. You'll pretty much, every single person, even a black status presenter, will start back, reset to yellow at the beginning of the month. Now, you will always be recognized as your highest paid status, but you will not necessarily be paid on that status unless you're continuing to qualify for that monthly. Pink status, 25% commission on your retail sales and 3% on your circle. As a pink status presenter, your circle, going back up to here, okay, your circle is anyone in your downline, unlimited down, who is not elite or above, okay? So as a pink presenter, if you've recruited one, that person's recruited 5, and everyone is blue or below, you get paid 3% on their sales. Pretty exciting. Blue, similar, 25%. The only change here is 4% commission. Bump up to green, you get 30% commission on your sales, a nice 5% pay raise there, 5% on your circle, and now you have the opportunity to earn 3% on your first generation royalties. Your first generation is anyone on your team to be green, okay? Green elite presenter. With the first generation, okay, let me explain that a little bit. If you recruit Amber and Amber recruits Ashley, okay? Amber's not green, but Ashley is. Ashley bumps up to your first generation, okay? That is super exciting because you could sponsor someone and they might know someone and they might know someone that just, blows this business out of the water. So that's pretty exciting there. Okay, so first generation, the first in the line, okay, we build wide and we build deep, okay? You have a person here, the first person in that line to hit green status would be your first generation, okay? Now, you can have first generation here, here, here. I hope that makes sense, but you might have multiple first generation elites because we do build wide. So 3% on their entire downline, okay? So someone hits elite status, anyone in their company, also you get that 3% on. And then you get 5% on the remainder on your team, the circle. The circle is outside of a team of elites, okay? Or an elites team. Orange, I hope I'm not being too confusing. 30% retail commission, 5% circle, 3% first generation. The only difference here, bump up 4% second gen. A second generation of elites is someone underneath a first generation of elites. 2 levels of that, okay? Purple, again, pretty much the same thing as orange, only the difference here, 6% on your circle royalties instead of the 5%. You still get paid on first and second generation elites. Black is where you can really start to see some major cash flow, okay, because of this third generation. Black, 30% commission on your sales, 6 on your team, 3 on your first generation, 4 on your second gen, and 5% on your third generation of elites, okay? 3 levels deep of elites. And that means, okay, when you get 5% on an elite, it's not just on that person, it's on their entire downline of, again, their downline of anybody here, blue and below, okay? Now, let's see here. I think we have a pretty awesome pay plan. One thing that I absolutely love about it is you get paid more further down. So it really encourages us to help others. It encourages us to reach below and really, not below, that's a terrible word, but to use, but basically to reach deeper and find, build relationships with the girls that maybe we didn't personally recruit, but you can see where it really encourages you to help your team. So it's super exciting. We really do have, I believe, one of the best pay plans out there, and it is giving you an opportunity to make a whole lot of cash. So I hope that helps. I hope it makes sense, and good luck with your business in 2015.